So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Finally, here are two games which are code to closing and another game, the certification zone game is live. Now here what is this? So let me show you what is this game and they have updated the terms and conditions. So for the arcade code to closing game, for one arcade point will be awarded to the first 50 players who complete this game. Despite of having the rank in the leaderboard, the first completion will be getting this one arcade point. And for the second certification zone game, first 50 players who complete this badge will be getting 50% off on the GenAI leader exam. That means you will be getting the points in the arcade certification zone game. But the only thing is that for certification voucher, only 50 people will get. So now make sure you are signed into your Cloud Skills Boost account. Let's join the game. And do not worry about the solution. It's already present on the channel. You can check it out. Now let's join the game. Paste the access code here. And finally we are joined here. So finally, you can see we are joined and all these labs are already present on the channel. Let me show you. Meanwhile, let's join the other game. So here, similarly, join the game, copy the access code like this. Let me copy the access code here and paste it. So finally, we are joined in all the games. So this is what we need to understand about it. Now the most important thing is that how we'll find the solution. So I'll attach the playlist link in the description. You can check out the channel. You have to just visit the playlist. And as you can see here, work, meet, play, and certification zone game. All are live here. You can watch it and complete it accordingly. And if you are new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now I hope you are enjoying the arcade program and you are new to this channel, don't know about arcade, you should watch this video. Let me show you which video you have to watch. That is this video. Oh, sorry, this video. This is the complete guide how you will be able to complete the arcade match. So thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.